Hello bikers and babes, it's Rick Gonzalez for another how-to video. Today we're going to replace the window regulator on the driver's side of a 2000 Ford Ranger XLT. I bought this window regulator on eBay for about $35. AutoZone carries it, and I think it's something like $70, but you have to order it. So I figure if I'm gonna order it, I'll go with the less expensive one. Comes with a motor and everything you need except for the bolts. Apparently there's a couple of bolts there that hold it together. When you take it apart, they're rivets. So let's see how it goes. All right, here's the door. What we're gonna do is, there's a couple of screws right in here. Take off those two screws and remove this part. Once we take this off, there's a couple more screws under here. And then this panel should just lift up and come off. All right, as simple as that. So I'm just gonna get these switches out. These little clips. Just push those in and they should be able to come off. Pop this out and take off this clip. Alrighty. So now this screw, and I think that's it. And the whole thing should come off. Okay. Wait a minute, there's one more here. Right there. I knew there was another one. Okay, that one's a different color. Straight up. A little persuasion. Shake it, baby. There we go. Oh, I'll drop it now. Yeah, it just comes right off. Put this over here. I see the sheathing doesn't stick anymore. I'll probably use some double-sided tape, put that back on. Okay, so this is what we got. I put this piece of paracord to hold the window up because it was cold. So now I'm gonna release that paracord, and then you got these 4 rivets. You gotta drill out and the whole unit should come off. I put some gloves on because these edges are pretty sharp. Okay, I'm gonna drill these 4 rivets out. I thought there was 5, but there's 4. These 4 rivets out. Here we go. I got the rivets out. Had a little bit of a hard time, but I got them out. Now I think it's just this screw and maybe this bolt. We will find out. Okay, this screw here is a 7/32. This bolt is a little clamp that holds onto the motor. Let's reinstall the clamp. It's not really holding anything, but I just left it in there. Okay, after I drilled that out, took out that bolt, this thing came loose. Okay, it sits like this. So what I did was I pushed up the window and unlatched this from the thing. Once it came out, I was able to get it out, this part first and out, while holding the window up at the same time. That's why I couldn't film it. But there it is. Apparently seized up. It's spring loaded. Alright, so I'm gonna put in the new one. Okay, after some fiddling around, I was able to get these 3 bolts back in. I was able to get the last bolt in. I just kind of ovaled out the hole and I was able to get the screw in and I torqued it down. Let's try it out. I already got it connected. I think it's secure enough to operate. So let's try it. Alright. I just happen to have a few inch-long bolts with Teflon nuts that fit these holes. But you can get these at your local hardware store. If you like my videos, please subscribe, click the notification bell. Be safe out there, get out and ride, and God bless you.